Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silent meditation.
Good evening, Pine-Richland High School. I'm Nate. Today is September 28, 2023, and it's an A-Day.
And I'm Colton. Welcome to Pine-Richland High School's open house. This past Tuesday, a video message made by Dr. Hernandez was emailed out to the community about tonight's open house in the activities fair. Here's a replay of that video in case some of you watching now did not get a chance to see it.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Hernandez, principal at Pine-Richland High School. We are excited to invite you to our open house this Thursday, September 28th, from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Our classes will follow a normal bell schedule, and you should follow your child's schedule. If you have multiple children at our school, no problem. Just report to the class that you would like to see during your child's designated class period. Our annual Student Activities Fair is one of our most popular events every year. They will be held in the cafeteria during open house. We will also hold our activities fair the next day during school for our 9th grade and new students. This has been a fantastic start to the year, and our focus this year is on continuing the positive school culture initiatives of last year and also increasing our focus on safety procedures. We are also heavily focusing on the teaching and learning goals within our strategic plan. Our teachers and staff are using their curriculum and collaborative lesson planning to challenge students, to support students, and to increase the growth and achievement of all students. It is our hope during open house that you will learn more about how your child's teachers are focusing on learning for every student every day. We are really excited to see you, and it is our hope that you and your family join us for open house this Thursday, September 28th. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you there.
Thanks for that, Dr. Hernandez. Again, the activity fair is currently being held in the cafeteria.
That's all from us at PRTV. I'm Colton.
And I'm Nate. We hope everyone enjoys open house tonight. Bye-bye.